This is Barak Lurie, and this is the Legal Minute. Today I want to talk to you about the last of our 6-part series about how litigation is like chess. Today I want to talk about how you want to think about your case and thinking several moves ahead. That's what people think about when they think about chess generally, right? Well, it also applies in litigation. Let me give an example. I had a case, I was a second-year associate, I love chess, and I was dealing with a CEO of a major video company, and our complaint was that he had inappropriately not released this movie in the theaters ahead of time, which we felt could have made a lot more money. He instead sent it straight to video. What I decided to do, thinking ahead, was to take his deposition early on. I knew that he had not read the contract. The contract had a key provision which required them to release it in the theaters for at least 2 weeks, and if they didn't, that would be a breach of good faith. He didn't read that contract. And when I took his deposition, I wanted to incentivize him to say, look, you felt that it was not necessary to show this movie at all, it was a bad movie, and you went straight to video, right? That's right, Mr. Lurie, that's exactly right. He wanted to justify himself about that. And so I said, you didn't even bother releasing in the theaters for that reason, right? Right. Well, that was the end of the case. I thought ahead, thought about the moves ahead, and it made it a very simple case. At the end, they settled for 90 cents on the dollar with very little legal costs. That's the way to think about your litigation matter. Think ahead, don't just plod along. This is Barak Lurie, and this has been the Legal Minute.